The YIHUA 853D 5A-II soldering station offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, combining a soldering station, rework station, and DC power supply in one compact unit. This soldering station utilizes advanced PID temperature control technology, allowing for precise temperature adjustments with minimal error. With its software functions, users can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, utilize the sleep function, and manage digital temperature corrections effortlessly. The YIHUA 853D 5A-II is equipped with exclusive fail-safe protection, providing an automatic alarm and power cutoff for safety if the hot air gun's fan malfunctions. Customers can choose this product with confidence, thanks to a 12-month manufacturer technical coverage and round-the-clock professional assistance available on Amazon. Designed for use with a U.S. standard power plug, this model operates efficiently on 110 to 127 volts.